everyone, it's Kim, the homeschooling Grammy, and today we are going to do a science experiment. So, Hope received this gift from her Auntie Shayla for her birthday from National Geographic, the Mega Science Series Science Magic Kit. So we're going to do one of the science experiments in here. So if you're interested, stick around. We're going to get started. So we decided we're going to do this saw a test tube in half experiment. So this is what it says. Now let's try experimenting with the light refraction of different liquids. It's a classic optical illusion performed by magicians, but now it's a science experiment with a beaker and a test tube. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, this should be a lot of fun. So the first thing that it said is that this can be kind of messy. So for all y'all who don't like a lot of messy things,
we got a tray.
Yes, we got a tray. So I just got my little quickie tray. That'll work, right, Hope?
Yep.
That'll work. So what do we need? We need
a pair of gloves.
Yeah, you're right. She needs to go get some gloves and some glasses.
I'll be right back, y'all.
She'll be right back, y'all. So can you grab Grammy some gloves too?
Okay.
And get yourself some glasses. Oops. She's better at this apparently than I am. All right, so it says I'm going to need to fill the beaker with 20 milliliters of water. So, through the magic of YouTube. All right, so we're back. She's gloved.
Yes.
She's safety goggled. We're good. So, it says first things to do is to do 20 milliliters of water.
Ew,
so.
These smell like sausage.
Okay, so there's 20 milliliters of water in our little beaker right here. And it says, slowly pour in an equal amount of vegetable oil. You should have 2 distinct layers of water and vegetable oil. So I'm going to kind of like go, boink, so y'all can see what I'm doing. Let me move this down. All right, so here's they gave us a little thing of vegetable oil. Isn't it so cute?
Let's see if she can open it.
Yes. See if I can open it. Oh, it has it's attached. Look at this. It's attached. It's kind of cool actually for kids though. All right, so an equal amount of vegetable oil. So let's do that.
Oh, Granny, it separates from the water.
It does. How cool is that? All right, so we have 20 of each. 20. I'll give you a little show and tell. Can we see?
I can't believe vegetable oil separates from water.
All right. Actually, we just learned about this recently.
Yeah, I know.
So now, using the pipette, carefully fill the test tube with vegetable oil. Test tube with vegetable oil. Where art thou, test tube?
Hey, Granny, can I do it?
Yes, you may. Hold on. All right. So, what she's going to do now, here's our little trusty test tube that they gave us. Hold on there, Buttercup. You're going to take our pipette. I'm going to fill the pipette, and you can fill the test tube, okay?
Okay.
Just because. Her little pipette. So cutesy wootsy. All right. All right, so go ahead and squeeze. Here, take the pipette. All right. All right, perfect. Now get some more. Here, this is how yep, like that. All right, you just squeeze. And I'm gonna, so I can see when you got it full. Okay, good, keep going. All right, let's keep on going, woman. Keep on keeping on. Okay, so as you can see, we have our oil and our water, and like Hope said, you can see where it has separated, right? Because you can't mix those two. And then We have our test tube full of oil. So now it says holding on to the top of the test tube, you're going to slowly lower it into the beaker, and the portion of the tube that sits in the water is visible, but the part in the oil vanishes. So I'm going to hold this so y'all can see. And so what's going to happen, hold on a minute, so you're just going to hold on to the top of the test tube and slowly lower it into the beaker. The portion of the tube that sits in the water is visible, but the oil part is going to disappear. So go ahead, put it in there. It did disappear. Oh, look.
Whoa.
Look, you can't see it.
Yeah.
Everybody see, look. You cannot see the part that is the oil top. The top of the tube where the oil is, you can't see the tube. All you can see is the bottom. How cool is that? So, let's learn about the science behind this magic trick. Are you ready to learn about the science of it? To learn the science behind this little magic trick. The science behind the magic trick. The speed at which light waves bend is called the refractive index. And it just so happens that vegetable oil and the special glass of the test tube in your science kit both have the same refractive index. So when light moves through the glass and the oil, it essentially moves straight through without bending, and therefore without bouncing back at our eyes at all. As a result, the oil-filled test tube seems to vanish and the oil-filled beaker. That's really cool. So it even says that we could take your magic wand and put it in a glass of water to see a bigger example of light refraction in action.
Abracadabra.
So let's do that. Let's get some water and we'll do the same thing. You can tell, like, we don't have like a bunch of science stuff around here. I wasn't sure a regular glass was even going to work because my glass is kind of fancy, but it did work, didn't it? Because we checked real quick because we didn't want to waste y'all's time. So go ahead, Hope. Go ahead and put your wand in here and let it drop it down. So, what does it look like?
Broken.
It looks like it's broken. How cool is that? It looks like it's broken. So anyways, that's just one of the little experiments in this kit. So yeah, maybe we'll be taking you along for a couple more experiments.
Yeah.
Because this was fun. All right, God bless. Take care.
Grammy, they had little cups in here.
Yeah, but remember we tried it. It wasn't big enough because the wand was too big. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed. God bless. Take care, and we will see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.